Hi, my name is Chris Wolf here at Anderson Weber Toyota. I just want to first take the time to wish you a safe and happy holiday season. Also let you know about our 2019 Toyota models we have left over that need to go. So for example here we got our Toyota Highlanders, anywhere from an XLE all the way up to limited platinum. And we got a couple hybrids left in stock as well. Also for our 2019 leftover Toyotas we have the RAV4, the newly designed crossover. We got anywhere from XLE all the way up to limited. Also, we have our 2019 Toyota Camrys. We got an LE and an SE model, and you can get financing 0% up to 60 months. Also in stock, we got our 2019 Toyota 4Runners. We got a limited here, and then we got a premium off-road. One has the third row, the other one doesn't. Also in stock, we have our leftover 2019 Toyota Tacomas. We got limited package. We got the TRD Sport, and we got one access cab available as well. Again, these are all of our leftover 2019 models and they got to go. So give us a call, stop them by, or check us out at AndersonWeber.com.